Good morning, children. In the previous class, we learned about converting 2D models to 3D, and you have done a lot of practicals in the previous class. Okay, I hope you understood how to create the 3D models. And today we are going to learn is how we are going to work with those 3D models. We can really make it very attractive. So let's start. Sorry. Okay, this is your chapter 4, working with 3D models. In this, you are going to learn how to use the paint bucket tools. You're going to learn what is components. You're going to create a text as well as a 3D text. This is a label text and this is a 3D text. You're also going to do these dimensions. And I think this scenes animation and converting it into a video, we'll do it in the next class, but I'll touch all these 4 steps. Okay, the very first thing says the paint bucket tool. The paint bucket tool is used to apply colors. It's used to and materials. What is materials? I'll be showing it to you to entice your model, to make it more, make it look really realistic. To do so, you need to select the paint bucket tool from the standard toolbar. Then you get a drop down arrow. In this drop down, you have, see, when you select here, when you click the drop down, you find a list of available items. Can you see? There's a material box, and in the material box, you find a lot of list of items. After this, you need to click on the search if you need, or you can just click next to this material, or in this, you have stone. Can you see? Here you have stone. Or if you click on this, you have color names and different type of, I'll be showing you how to do it. So you select stones and you get the different types of stones. If you select color name, can you see? Here he selected color name, and so all the different types of color names have come. You have to pick up this, any color or anything that you require, and color your object. Okay, so let me show you how to do it. Okay, as I told you, I will hide the girl. So she's not there now. So I'll draw just a simple diagram of a square. Say I'll just draw this. Okay, and I'll convert this into a 3D model. That is selecting a push and pull tool. You can just convert it into a 3D model, right? You can even pull it how far you want. Okay. The very first thing he said, apply the colors. So you have here the paint bucket. Can you see? Click on the paint bucket. You get the material box open. The material box consists of many things. It consists of like blinds, and you can see all of them. Let's see what does this contain. This contains things like this. It's called the asphalt. And so it's got like this concentric type of work done. Suppose I select this, I just put on this, you see, you get the block being used with the material. Let's try some other thing. Click on another thing, blinds. Let's see, these are called blinds. I think for your windows, you get these blinds, no? So that they don't affect your eyes and all. So let's see whether I selected one of the blinds. See how it worked. Let's select this blind, and then it works this way. Yeah, these are the blinds. Okay, and there's another option, and it's called bricks type. See, you know how your walls look. Suppose I want a very decorative house, I can just click like this and have these bricks. Or see, can you see? So I can just change it to whatever I like. So you select what you want. You have carpets and textile. So here you have things like that looks like carpet. Let's see this checkered box, how it looks, and I'll put it here. Can you see? It exactly looks like a carpet. I'm putting it here. So you need to color your model. Okay, that's your work to do. Then you have fencing. Okay, color names. Okay, let's see what's the color names. You have different colors which you use when you were doing rubrics. You use these things. Okay, you can put what color you want. Looks like I'm always selecting brown and maroon. Then you have a fencing. See, it looks like a real fence. You like this type of thing, you just color it. It looks like a fence. Exactly, actually, you can do it for your fence. You can create this as a fence for your model. Okay, there are different types of fence. I'm just looking into it, and they asked you to select stone, so we select stone. You have different types of stones here. I'm selecting this stone and seeing what happens. See, the stones look like this. So according to your information, it says select stone from the material box and place your cursor on it. Just keep repeating for all the things. I hope you understood how the bucket fill works, the paint bucket works. And when you click on the paint bucket, the material box opens. And when you click on this, when I go back again to material, I get the different types of material available here. You just scroll down, you'll have many types of material. See, you want vegetation, you get like grass like thing. You see, you can just put as if you're growing trees on top or whatever it is. It looks like as if you're having some grass or something. You have water, suppose you're making a swimming pool, you can just fill water in it. Sorry, you can just fill water. So it depends upon what you're creating. Then I'll be giving you homework anyway. I hope you understood the material box. Let's go to the next one. The next one is called, this is very interesting, it's called the components. The components are nothing but blueprints of predefined objects. That is, objects which are like ready-made objects that are available in SketchUp. To go into the component toolbox, you need to click on Windows and select components. You can see there's a picture here. Click on Windows tool, the menu, and then you get the components. Click on components. When you click on components, you click on the search icon. Here you have a search icon, the search tool. Just click on it. You can find whatever you want or whatever you require. Just type here and you'll get the picture of it. So you can even take pictures from the net. You can see there's a car picture and many other things. So let's try out the components tool and we go back to this. Okay, what did I say? Click on Windows, select components. Where's components? Yeah, components is here. I'm selecting components. The component toolbox opens. In the components, I said select, you can search for what you require. That is, if I say car, C-A-R, and I say search, you'll get a lot of cars, sorry. It's searching for the cars. Here you have all different types of cars. See a man with a car. Just click on that man and then drag and put it here. See, it's a ready-made object. You need to make it small. Just click on the scale tool. You can make it smaller or bigger or whatever you want. Understood? Press the escape tool to just move out. I'll show you some other thing. Let's select other things. Say, I'll say a bench or a chair. Say chair, C-H-A-I-R. And say search or just enter, whatever you want to do. Let's see if there's, it's searching for chairs. Yes, I have lots of chairs here. So let's see what this chair looks like. I don't know how it is, but I'm selecting a chair. Okay, this chair shall we select? And I can just place the chair here. Oh, sorry. Can you see the chair is here? So it depends upon what you require, children. You can type there or you just press the escape and it moves. You can search for fans. There are different types of chairs and all. You get it on the net. You can see here there's a dining table with chairs. So it starts downloading because it's taking it from the net. There are ready-made items in this SketchUp. So you can just select the item and place it in the screen. Taking a long time to select. So this is the way you select and put items. You have many items. So I'll show it to you again what you can do. It's taking a long time because it's occupying a lot of space to do it. So I'll just stop it. I'll not allow to do. See here, it's come here, but it's too big. So you need to just put it small. So I don't want it to go in progress because it's just downloading and taking too much of space. That is because it's on the net. Otherwise, you can just take the ready-made components that are available. Let's take the ready-made ones that are there, Windows components, and then I will see what I like, I will take. Okay, so you can take what you like. There are many things. You click on these components and you find many things. So I'll take a boy and the dog. See, here it is. You can scale it and make it big if you want. Okay, the scale too. Just press escape. So this is how you do it. And let's see if any other things are there. Yeah, there is a, a frame where you can just see. You can just put it, just drag and drop it, children. That's all you need to do. Just drag, just scroll down. You will find many items that are already there. Okay, say I want this girl, Susan. Just click on Susan and just move your cursor there and you'll get and just click on the empty space. I hope you understood how to put the components. Okay, that's all about components. You need to press escape and see that it comes back to its position or whatever it is. Okay, you can just drag it and pull it down here, whatever you want. And once you put it to the correct position, you can just press escape. It will not be selected. Understood? Now let's do the next thing. After the components, you have the next tool, which is called the text tool. The text tools, the text tool allows you, how do you select the text, select the text which looks like an A, and you see it looks like this, A and a 1, and then you just select it and click on a blank space wherever you want to enter the text. And after that, you enter the text. You just click outside the text so that the text is still not, selected. If it's selected, it'll keep moving to different places. And when you want to edit, again, you can select on the text, or you can go to the tool and select the tool. And then you can edit the text. Let's try doing that. Okay, I am selecting the text tool. You can see it's here. Text, it's called the text label because it comes very small. So I'm clicking here and then I get an enter text and I'll type BRJC, Parsi, sorry, PARSI, school. Right? What should I do? Click outside the text and so the text is there. When you want to edit it, just select the text tool and it gets highlighted. You can just see, you can make a change in it. You can move it at any place you want. Okay, or you can just double click and just change what you want to change. You can add your whatever you want to make the changes. Okay, edit text, right click and say edit text. You can edit the text if you want. It's whatever you want to do, you can do. It just edits the text. I hope you understood how to edit text and how to use the text tool. Let's go to the next tool, which is the 3D tool. 3D text tool is the next one. The 3D text tool helps you to make 3D text type. See, it looks like this, like a big A. And you can just place it on whatever model you have created. Let's use the 3D text tool. Go into the tools menu. If you don't find any of the tools, just click on the tools menu. Here you have 3D text. Once you enter the 3D text, once you select 3D text, again I'll show it to you. Select tools. If you don't find the 3D text tool on your standard toolbar, select tools. Here you have 3D text. Click on 3D text. The 3D text tool box opens. Here it says enter text. You can enter the text. You can change the type of font. I don't want this font. You just click here and select what type of font you want. Okay. And say I want a font like Oh, it's going very fast. Okay, I want a font like this. And then you can select regular and how many inches, left or center, alignment, whatever you want. And here you have to change the text. So I'm changing the text to, again, I'm typing BRJC. Okay, I'll just type BRJC and click on place. You see BRJC is come here. You can just take this and place it on your model. Okay, wherever you want to place it. Did you understand how to do the 3D text? You can even color the 3D whatever you want. Okay, so you want it here, you can put it here. You can fill in color also, whatever you want. Okay, okay, that's it. Once again, we'll do this 3D text. Oh, so I'll delete it. And again, go to Windows, Tools, and select 3D text. The 3D text box opens. You select whatever you want to type. And I'm selecting BRJC. Click on the place. It comes. You can just place it where you want to place it on your text, wherever you like to place it. You want to make it bigger, just take the scale tool and make it bigger. Okay. I hope you understood how to create the 3D text. Now the next one is called dimensions. This is your dimension tool information. The dimension tool is used to create dimensions to check how your model fits into that place or what. Let's check how the dimension tool works. So suppose I am using the pencil tool. Okay, I am drawing a line here. Okay, I want to check the dimension. So tools, and where is dimensions? Here, dimensions. I selected dimension from the starting point to the end last point. You can see the size of it is 6.11 inches. This is the size of it. So if you want to create anything else, like you can, or let's check on this. I will fill the bucket, paint bucket with some color where I can see color name. So I'll put it with a pink so that I can show you how to use the dimensions. Tools, dimensions, if you don't find it, just select from this point to this point. Clear? And you just drag it. You can see what is the dimension of each part of it. Okay? So you can know what dimension is each and create your model according to that. Okay? Because this is selected, it's not showing me the dimensions. So I'll select this and delete it. Okay, it's not allowing me to use the dimensions because of that. So tools and dimension. Tools, dimension. Select from point to point, this point to this point. It will tell you how many inches and also. Okay. Okay. I hope you understood what is dimension and how to put your 3D text, how to select components. Okay, children. That's all for now. I hope you understood the lesson. Try all the things that I have shown you. Thank you. Have a nice day.